What sets us apart at Tristate is the relationship that we have with our customers and the lengths we'll go to keep them satisfied and keep them up and running.
Tristate, of course, they're just really good to deal with. They keep a good supply of parts.
The distribution center where we get our parts from is 45 minutes away. It's in Byhalia, Mississippi. So if we need to go get a part, we can put it on will call and go out there and pick it up. And we have a great relationship with them.
We're very aware of our customers' needs when it comes to getting parts available. We try to keep everything we can stocked, but we try to, if we don't have it, to get it as quick as possible because we understand that their downtime is costing them money.
We have to keep our customers on the road. It is very expensive for somebody to be down.
We might need a minor piece. It could be something that might cost $10, but it's keeping our truck from rolling. And when we call Tristate, they've never said no. If they don't have it right up front, they will find it for us.
But we try to turn over every rock we can to find parts.
So we rely on them to make the call, them deliver the parts we need to get our truck back on the road.
Yeah, I had a truck break down in Ohio.
The dealer that he stopped at couldn't find the part, didn't have the part.
The place says it's going to be 2 weeks getting it.
He called us here locally because he's one of our own. Our parts department was able to find that part. We had it on the shelf. We overnighted it up there.
I had it there the next morning. That place was like, wow, how'd you get this? And I said, well, I got good people I work with.
This is what I do every day, and this is what I love. And my team is very supportive.
We're a team. Tri-State Truck Center is a team, from parts to service to management and truck sales.
We make it better. We make this company better. It's the people that work here. Good people.
A really great relationship with them. They're just super people.
Tri-State is fighting for us and trying to keep us on the road.
I'm more successful than I ever thought I would be, and Tri-State's a big part of that.